gotta hold there to fucking drink. Alright amigos, welcome back to your favorite cooking show, Drunken Migos. Today we're gonna show you how to make some chicken, some cheese, and some rice. We're gonna drink first, and then I'll teach you how to make it. Alright, first thing we gotta do is wash all this chicken and throw it in your pot. As much chicken you want to cook. Alright, next thing is put some olive oil. We're gonna need some paprika. Make sure you put plenty in there. We're gonna need some onion. We're gonna need some of these. And we're gonna need some red pepper crush. Give it a little kick. Drink some beer. Mix it with your hands. I forgot to put the chicken shit. Hey, bitch, Sasquatch, come here.
What is that?
What is that? What do you call that?
Bouillon? Chicken flavored bouillon.
Put the shit in there.
Booty onions.
Booty onion.
Booty onions.
Don't put it in there. Stop all of it.
Is that good?
All of it, dumbass.
More?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. The better stuff.
So that's for the rich people.
Yeah. No one drinks that shit.
Alright, we're gonna put this chicken on this smoker. We got it cooking at about 450,000 degrees right now. Just put all the chicken in there.
I mean, it's gonna stick a little bit, but
there you go. We'll put this little pan here so we can smoke the cheese too. Gonna let this cook for a minute. Let's go prep this cheese, baby. Alright, we're about to start making this cheese. We're gonna need a bell pepper. Just put it on your bottom. We're gonna need some of this cheese. Make little blocks. That way it melts better. There you go. We're gonna need some jalapeno juice. Just put all the juice in there. Some whipping cream. About half a can. Need some rotel.
With habaneros.
Put it in there. Mix it all up. Well, a little bit. And last but not least, we're gonna need some Fiesta blend. Just put some cheese on that bitch. There you go.
Breakfast of champions right here.
Let's go to the smoker. Alright, let's check this chicken. Woo-wee. Smelling good. Just put this baby right here. Close the lid. We're gonna let this cook for about 2 hours. Alright, time to start making this rice. We're gonna need 2 cups of rice. A little bit of oil to fry it. We're gonna fry this for a few minutes until it turns brown. Alright, after this gives a little bit color, dump your carrots, pinches,
Fucking peas.
and some celery. Alright, we're gonna add a little bit of onion. Chicken bouillon.
Bullshit.
A little bit of salt.
Woo.
And a little bit of paprika. We're gonna need 4 cups of water.
Or 6 beers.
There you go. We're gonna let this cook for about 10-15 minutes until it starts boiling. Then we're gonna cover it up. Drink some more beer. Where's my fucking beer? Alright, after it gets boiling, turn this baby all the way to low. Put your lid. We're gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes. And then we check it. Drink some more beer. Alright, this has been cooking for about 15 minutes. We want to turn this off. Put this on right there. Gonna let it sit there for about 30 minutes and it should be ready. Drink some more
We
beer.
hydrate.
Well, hydrate, bitch.
I just fucking name another one. This motherfucker don't know shit.
Drink your pork chop in a can and shut the fuck up.
What the fuck does that even mean?
Alright, we're about to take this chicken out. Chicken is done. Cheese is almost done, so we're gonna take the chicken out, drop the baby in the fucking fire. Should be done. Look at this baby. Ooh-wee. Look at this baby. Ooh-wee. Alright, amigos, we got the rice done, we got chicken done, we got the melted cheese on top of our chicken, we got some jalapeno slices. Hey, let's try this baby. You don't even need a knife to cook this baby. I mean, to cut this baby. Woo-wee. This shit is gonna make you slap your mama. Yeah.